The market is looking good today, guys. AMC doing very well. Who do we have in the chat right now? We got Saif. Good morning, my man. How's everyone doing? A green day? And today is a beautiful green day. Devil's Advocate, good morning. Sip some coffee. I don't have any coffee up here, but I'll take a sip of water for you. Good morning, Devil's Advocate. Sipping some coffee there, sipping some water there. LFG Pringleton. Oh, yes, my man. We ready for this? We are definitely ready. Victor, what's going on there? I'll be doing great if this nice upward movement continues. E-Turbo. Me as well, man. The best chance to buy a Bunnyverse BNV 1000X project. Check out their website. Fully doxed. Nice, Bunnyverse. Good morning. Hey, all. What's going on, Cassie? Pringleton, Deuces, Vivek, Victor, Birds, Ugan, and Toad. Vivek, Deuces, Julie, Miller. Good morning to you. Pringleton, Julia, Gulia, Vivek, Bunnyverse, Vivek, Deuces, Victor, Julia, Gulia, Vivek, Saif, Deuces, Pitbull, and Devil's Advocate. What are we on here? What are we on here? What are we on here? AMC, $18.32. Looking beautiful. 1832, 1848. What are we at here? Come on. Update. 1845. My goodness, that looks good. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 21.71. GameStop 113, 115. Why is this not updating? 115.69. I kind of want to close that out and then reopen it. Let me do that. Let me close Weeble and reopen it. Let's go to just look at these coins for a second. I don't know why that's not updating right. Close that and reopen it. Because it should be updating. Okay. Let's see if we're on here. Nope! Didn't work. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Boom! Good deal, guys. Good deal. All right. Deuces! What was Deuces' message? Deuces. Thank you very much for the super chat. Let's see what Deuces' message was. Hold on. I think I can see this. Oh, no. Wrong place. Deuce's message. Don't even know if I can see. Don't even know if I can see. Let's see. Something about the Bunnyverse AMA. The Ask Me Anything. Possibly. Deuces. Send it again, man. I don't know why you got deleted. Send it again when you're not timed out or something. I don't know why that happened, man. Very sorry about that. Thanks, Pringleton. Something. Prog is feeling froggy. Jump. Where's Grandpa? Pitbull. We need to know where Grandpa's at. Before the message can confirm the timeout was done before the message. Hello, Clay bro. How you doing? I hope everybody else is good as well. First time I've seen AMC over 18. We're gonna keep going to the moon. Joseph, yes, man. AMC sitting at $18.45 right now, looking very good. Nice steady growth this morning. I like that. Up 15% right now. GameStop following suit, up 6% at 115.57. Shiba Inu coin 21.78. Prog sitting at $1.59. Prog was $1.11 a couple days ago, man. Now it is at $1.59, looking beautiful. Nasdaq sitting up 0.25% today. We've got Farmy sitting at 21.25. Let's go, man. Cassava Sciences up almost 9% today. Sundial up 3.5%. Green across the board. Everything in the watch list today is green. I love the way it looks. I love it. Looking very good. Very promising day today. Let's go back to 20, man. Let's go back to 20 today. Good morning, all you glorious apes. Good morning, Frodo. I have a hot new NFT project for you to do your DD on. Dojo Fish, artist, is an Oscar-winning animator. Dojo Fish. I have not heard about Dojo Fish. Are they, do they do some Kung Fu or something? What do we got Dojo for? Miss Elizabeth, Julia. Yes, Elizabeth. We love you. Facts. Frodo, happy birthday, Eve, my friend. Ooh, I can't wait to sing happy birthday to Frodo. Viva Shiba, viva la liberté. Yes, Lefebvre Cedric. Let's go. Shiba. All the way, man. Good morning, everybody. Crystal. Good morning to you, Crystal. Crystal, the artwork. I saw that artwork on Twitter this morning. Excellent. I like it. I think it's very cool. Let's see. Spider-Man might be better than Batman, but I think it's very cool. I think Apple and Microsoft are red. That's good for us. Oh, dude, I don't know if it's good for us if they're red. I don't know why it would be. I don't think it's necessarily good that Apple's in the red. No. But I do. Oh, my gosh. I love this follow through here. Look at this week right now. Look at this day right now. Come on. If we get a green day, follow through on this, breaking up through resistance, that is going to be very nice for the NASDAQ there. That's going to be very nice. As you can see, we're testing this area right in here. We've been down, we've been up, we've been down, we've been up, and now we're currently, well, up slightly on the day. Hopefully, we can continue that action, man. That's going to be very nice. Prague, 12% gain on the day, man. Look at this daily chart here. Prague doing very nice. Rising 12% on the day. Man, that looks good. What else we got? Big chart. AMC. Oh, yes. AMC bouncing back and forth. 1871 high. Currently sitting at $18.14. Up 13% on the day. Looking very good. What do we got on a daily for AMC? Any resistance in this area? Not really, guys. We should be free to go to 20. We should actually be free to go back up to the 20s. So, this is looking like a little dragonfly doji at the moment. Oh, shoot, dude. There's gapped up very nicely. Oh, man. Oh, well, we did kind of come back down a little bit on that tail there. We did kind of come back down on that tail. So, I don't know. I don't want to talk about anybody filling the gap there. Because we did come back down. And, looking very good right now. Got a little dragonfly doji going on, man. If we get this upward action going back into the 20s, that's going to be very nice. Definitely sounds like something I'm interested in. So, I say we get started. What do we got here? What's up, bro? Joel, man. What's up with you? Hedge funds using the big tech for collateral. If it's red and a margin, that helps us sure. Yeah, Pargin. Pargin. That's like Pringleton with margin. Pringleton, if they are investing in Apple and Microsoft and these bigger tech stocks on margin and they're in the red, that is beneficial for us. That is beneficial for the hedge funds, losing money and potentially being margin called on some other options or even those stocks that they would potentially get margin called on. Crystal, thanks. Absolutely, Crystal. Hailstorm. Didn't see what you said. Sorry about that, Hailstorm. Prague will be a $3 price minimum. Wrestler. Go $350, man. Go $350. Saw Homeboy Wrench likes it. Early day rocket, afternoon consolidation. Well, dude, I'll take any gain I can get. Doesn't matter what it looks like. I'll take it. For Clay's sake, smash that like button. Shih Tzu Inu. Thank you very much. Listen to Shih Tzu, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. Whales dumped like 4 million in Shinja last night. I still ain't leaving. Outdoor smile. Oh, did it fall, man? Did Shinja fall last night? I can never see what the gains and losses are on the graph. But let's see if we got a little Shinja action in here, since I know everybody loves some Shibnobi. Shibnobi. Down only 15%, man. That's not horrible. Down 15% today. Shibnobi. Nah, man. For a crypto like that, that definitely ain't even volatile. Not even volatile, man. No worries on that. I don't have any Shinja show, so I clearly ain't worried, but I won't be worried about a 15% decrease. Hybrid NFT mint is tomorrow, but very hard to get on the whitelist. Trying to win one in a Twitter giveaway. Very nice, Frodo. Yeah, I still had no response from the Hype Bear team that I DM'd them and said, let's do a promo or something. No response on that. Saw Homeboy Wrench likes it. Saw that. Yeah, Hailstorm had asked to calm the Bunnyverse spam. And then got deleted themselves. I don't even know. Thank you, Hailstorm. Something. Darn Whales dumped it. My apologies, Pringleton. I saw Bunnyverse and just immediately was like, not today. Oh, man. Pringleton, they are a strong supporter of Calibra. I disagree with you timing out the supporters. Yeah, guys, look. I don't know. In one regard, like, clearly don't time anybody out that has a super chat. Like, don't do that. But I think that one did come before the super chat or something. I don't know. Just keep it cool, man. Just keep it cool. Like, no spam. We're all good. I have no problem talking about Bunnyverse. Bunnyverse in the super chat. Thank you very much, Bunnyverse. If everyone is tired of getting rugged with crypto projects, hop on over to the Bunny. This dude's a commercial, man. All right. Are you tired of buying these new cryptos? Getting rug pulled left and right? Everywhere you turn, it seems like these crypto projects are here today, gone tomorrow. Well, hop on over to the Bunnyverse AMA tomorrow. Don't know where it's at. Somebody tell them. Also, back off, Bringleton. We will give money to Clay. You are... Don't listen. No fighting. Bringleton doesn't need to back off. But if you guys are interested in the Bunnyverse, hop on over to that AMA tomorrow and check out that Ask Me Anything with Bunnyverse. Who's gonna be talking? Where's this AMA gonna be at, man? Where's it going to be? Because this is definitely an infomercial setup right here. I know it is. If you want Clipper to mention projects, he will gladly do. Dude, facts on that. Isa Wu, man. Facts on that. I will gladly mention any project. Even if you're, like, renovating your home. Like, you got a kitchen project going on, and your wife wanted you to install new cabinets or just resurface the ones you've got. I will even mention that project. Okay? No problem. If you guys want to... I will shill for you if you want me to. Isa Wu, thank you very much. Bunnyverse, thank you very much. Appreciate all you guys. Bunnyverse, tell me, where is this AMA at? Where's this AMA at that people can check it out? What do you have against Bunnyverse? Nothing, man. Jason, dollar cost average in to get the most for your dollar. I love it, Crystal. Sexy voice, man. Oh, yes. Bunnyverse, nothing against it, but I have it. It doesn't similar chat as a spam. No, don't do it. Crystal Crystal thinks I got a sexy voice too. Where and how do I buy it? Saif. Probably on PancakeSwap, man. PancakeSwap is where you're going to get it. Bunnyverse. I throw shade at Bringleton one more time. You'll be able to comment again. I'll lose my wrench before I go. No. Nobody lose their wrench. Bunnyverse is fine, man. We just, listen, there's a lot of spam. Will you mention the wall? Oh, gosh, Nick. I knew somebody. If JB's not in here, I knew it was going to be Nick F coming in here talking about the wall. Yes. Nick F, if you want to come over here and help me finish building the wall, I will be glad to have you come over here and help me finish the wall. And then I will mention it all day. Nick F came over and helped me screw the wall together because that's all I have to do is screw it together at this point and put it up on the wall. Nick, come on over, man. Free Leonard. What? Free Leonard Pilty. Who's that, man? Did he get sit in time? Is he in timeout? What do you think about Meta Token? Meta Token, like the one that gives you Shiba Inu coin rewards. Life of a noble man. I actually have some Meta. Thank you, a devil's advocate. Wonder where that wrench goes into the. I'm not allowed. Per JB. Oh my gosh! Come on, Nick. Come over. Come over. Come over. Is anybody want to see Nick F on the live stream later today? Nick F is going to come over and he's going to help me finish my wall during the break. And then he's going to come over and he's going to be sitting right here on the armrest of this chair. And it's going to be good. It's going to be good. You guys got to let me know if you want Nick F in the live stream later today. Joey Marino, sup Clay, what's up Joey, how you doing? BNV buy on Uniswap, big former Fox News marketing head, Kavita AMA on Telegram, 6 p.m. Eastern. Oh yeah, the best. Very nice, man, very nice. Big former Fox marketing head on Kavita AMA on Telegram, 6 p.m. Eastern. So guys, go check out Bunnyverse's Telegram if you want to see that. Ask me anything. You kick everyone out before you go live. Yeah, dude, but if you want to come over and you want to sit right here, we can make it happen today. Clay, missed you. Mariana the Dog Whisperer, missed you too. Been sick with pneumonia, feeling better. What did I miss? Everything and nothing. You missed everything and nothing all in the same time, Mariana. AMC doing very well today, but prior to today, I don't know where the last time you were in here was at. So I don't think you missed too much, but sitting at $18.10 right now. Not too bad over there. Shiba Inu coin just trading sideways for a long time now. Look at this. Look at this daily action. This does not look like the Shiba Inu coin I know. Look at this daily action right here. Completely sideways for like the last 2 weeks. That's crazy. It's crazy daily action on Shiba Inu coin. 21.82. GameStop sitting at 114.62, up 5% on the day. Prog $1.60 right now. It was cheap a while back. Now it's looking pretty good at $1.60 after hitting $1.11. The Nasdaq is sitting 0.28% higher, and Farmy sitting at 21.23 right now, up 1%, 73 on the day. Sundial Here's the leader, $3.81. If Sundial is in the green, the entire stock market will close in the green. It's just how it works, ladies and gentlemen. $18.18, AMC up 13% of the day. Good morning, apes from California. Space Ape, and is that a good morning to only apes in California, or is that a good morning to everybody and you're in California? Let's see. Will Shiba ever reach $1, or will it get wiped? Listen, I personally do not think it's going to reach $1. I don't think that they're going to be able to burn enough to make it reach $1, and I don't think it's ever going to have a market cap of $500 trillion. Penny? I would say a penny's doable, okay? I would say a penny is doable long term if people stay involved with Shiba Inu coin and don't give up on it and try to jump to the next thing. I do think that is doable. A couple $1 trillion valuation with burns along the way. I do think that is something doable long term. And by long term, I don't mean 6 months from now, all right? I mean 6 to 10 years from now. Shiba Inu coin being able to support that type of evaluation based on metaverse growth, based on digital assets growth, and most likely based on a declining dollar that is also going to weigh into the factor of Shiba Inu coin hitting these higher prices. I don't know if you saw my earlier message. Dojo Fish is an NFT project where the characters are fighting fish in a Super Smash Bros. Style play-to-earn crypto game. I can send you a Discord. Dude, Super Smash Bros. Listen, if these people start to actually create some pretty sweet games like this, yeah, Frodo, that does sound like something that would be pretty cool. I mean, it really does. You know, if they create like some sort of a free game, but then you have to go out there and buy your character or something, you know, that's not bad either, because people have to buy the games that they want to play. What's wrong with buying the character that you want to play as? I think that these, like a Super Smash Brothers type of game, could be pretty cool for some NFTs, especially if you can build your character up and so on. Let's see. Darn it, man. There goes that. Have you heard of Minego? No, I have not. Why did Bitcoin get so high, and then what's the difference? Oh, Corey Ryder. That's a good question. So, with Shiba Inu coin, there are 550 trillion coins outstanding. That is a lot of coins, man. A lot of coins. With Bitcoin, I don't know how many are currently outstanding, but the max supply after everything is mined in Bitcoin is only 21 million. So there is a drastic difference. A drastic difference. In the overall, I guess, circulating supply, or the total supply. Therefore, a drastic difference in the overall market cap of Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin. Because 500 trillion is much, much, much greater than 21 million. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, morning apes, a great day we're having here. Wondering why McDonald's can have a menu hack, but Mac Sauce isn't a kiosk option. Let's go, Ronald. What the heck is a menu hack at McDonald's? I don't even know what that is. Chris, either Chris or somebody explain to me what a menu hack is, because I don't know what that is, man. I'm going to be honest. I don't go to McDonald's enough to know. Isa Woo! I don't even know what this is, dude. I'm a tree. I'm a tree. I'm a tree. Thank you very much, Isa Woo. I'm a tree, man. Evergreen, baby. We are evergreen. Isawu, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you, man. Very expensive pack, and we pulled a Bazaar of Baghdad worth a lot if the grading is a 10. Well, anyways, a pal and I went in together. Okay, this is where that is. And got a sealed pack of Arabian Nights. Nice, dude. Anybody want to buy my Charizard off me? You can't have it. It's not for sale. Anyone who wants a link to Dojo Fish Discord, let me know, and Frodo will hook you up. Super Doge is a rocket ship. Oh my gosh. Shiba Doge yesterday, Super Doge today. Let's see. Inu hacks. Any hacks have in recent years become a popular way for the public to customize creations from existing items on fast food menus. Okay. Frosty, that's alone. Turns out it's pay to win type of game. Something. Okay, menu hacks. I guess that's what that was there. Super chat and you deleting that. It's totally unfair. I will talk to Clay later. Oh my gosh, birds world. You don't have to talk to me later, man. We know. And that the timeout was before the super chat came through, so like no arguing. We get it, guys. Like don't spam. It's cool. I like your coin. If you like your coin, I truly do. I want everybody to make as much money as possible. I listen. I really do want everybody in here to make as much money as possible. The only thing I ask, if you do want to come in here and talk about your coin, you don't have to send a super chat about your coin either, right? But with like 50 people coming in and saying Shiba Inu, Bunnyverse, Bunnyverse, Scrooge, Shiba Inu, Bunnyverse. Let's have a conversation. Just don't enter the room yelling. Let's see. Clay, have a friend. He has a YouTube channel. Dave Real Area 51. It's an animated alien comic cartoon. I told him he should turn all his aliens into NFTs and sell them. Where can he sell them? OpenSea, Mariana. So I'm not an NFT expert. So OpenSea. If he just Googles OpenSea, OPENSEA, he will be able to sell. He will be able to see a platform where he can create and sell NFTs. So, look, that is a good idea. If he's got a decent channel out there, I've never seen Dave's Real Area 51 before, but if he's got a decent channel out there and he's got some followers that would want some of those NFTs, I say it could be a pretty good idea. Oh no, I want this. I don't even see it. What's it called? Dave Reels. I don't even see it. I tried to YouTube it there, but I didn't see it. Devil's Advocate gets a tree. Issa Woo. Devil's Advocate, there's your tree, man. Hopefully you like that tree, because it's a good one. What do we got? Chat has one rule. If you spam, there's punishment. People spam and get punishment. Wow, what the heck are these mods? Ridiculous, unfair. Clay is telling me later. Well, actually, you don't have to spam. You can actually be really, really mean, too. And then, be disrespectful and stuff. That could end up in punishment as well. Trees for the Clay, bro. Fairly. Issa Woo. This dude's like Johnny Appleseed, man. This dude's planting trees all over the place. I love it. Hey, can we discuss what Lou said about the MOAS happening within the next 6 weeks, please? Your thoughts on this? Yeah, so Julia Gulia, I do have a couple thoughts on this. I have watched a couple of Lou's clips lately, not the full video, and I did watch one full video, I believe, last Saturday. But I've actually seen more of his tweets than I have his videos. So Lou is basically saying that we won, okay? This new regulation that is out there will just undo everything that the hedge funds have done. And this is going to cause them to cover all of their shares, synthetics, real, and so on, as soon as the regulation hits the board. So what we have right now is just a vote on transparency. That's where all of this, I guess, came to be. Is after the SEC voted on new transparency rules, which basically, okay, I did not read through everything, which basically just says that hedge funds are going to be required to report more often and be more transparent on the short positions that they have out there. Now, the last time I thought I was reading, it was a daily reporting as opposed to a bi-weekly reporting. I could be wrong on, I guess, the cycle of how often they have to report. But in a nutshell, like whatever the timeline is there, Lou says that in the next 6 weeks that we will see the AMC Stock Short Squeeze. Now, I do have a couple of problems with this, but it's not to say that it won't happen. So this is basing everything on the fact that in the next 6 weeks, when this regulation hits the I guess, hits the real world, and the hedge funds are required to be more transparent in their reporting. I guess the assumption he's making, and correct me if I'm wrong, because I know for a fact you guys watch this stuff more than I do. So correct me if I'm wrong in the fact that Lou thinks this is going to unveil all of the naked shorts that are out there, all of the shorts that are out there, and therefore they will be required to cover all of the shorts that are out there, because it's going to expose all of the fraud that everybody's been talking about. Now, perfect. If that's what it does, perfect. Yes, if it does come out in 6 weeks that there were billions of synthetics, like he's been claiming for quite a while, if in 6 weeks these hedge funds are required to cover all of their shares because of the manipulation and fraud that's been taking place, perfect. Yes, I absolutely do think the price of AMC stock could just rocket higher. Most likely, though, okay, this is where I'm gonna run into some problems with this. Yes, but more, okay. He's talking that 6 weeks because that's when the regulation should be enforced. But I do have some problems with this. First problem: what if it's enforced, and what if it's like everybody wants it to be, and the hedge funds are all of a sudden more transparent, but we don't see the billions of synthetics? We don't see the manipulation and the corruption to the extent that a lot of these guys have been promoting for a while now. What if we get the transparency that we've been craving, but it doesn't show everybody what they've been expecting? Do we see a massive sell-off in AMC? Do we see a community that just turns a blind eye to it and says, well, they're just lying on their truth charts. They're just lying on their truth charts now. What happens in that situation? What happens if we get there and we do see a ton of naked shorts, but AMC stock gets suspended because of SEC investigation, and suspended indefinitely? If there are billions of naked shorts out there, those hedge funds aren't going to go out there and now it's time to do the right thing. Now we have to go out and cover the billions of shorts that we have. That's criminal. Naked shorts are criminal. It's not just a civil suit. It's criminal. So what you would see in that is most likely a suspension by the SEC pending investigation of AMC. It's very similar to what they're doing with Ripple. Okay, there's a lot of exchanges that will not list Ripple right now pending the investigation from the SEC. And if the SEC suspends AMC's trading because what Lou said was true, and we do have billions of synthetics, you could end up with a very bad situation. And in all honesty, I think the chances of a lose-lose situation coming to be because of anything like that with these billions of synthetics would be more, I guess, relevant and more likely than a win-win situation. Now, and I could be wrong on this too, okay? Lou going from Lou versus Wall Street, claiming that this battle is over with, that the fair markets have been achieved and he is done, and he is now transitioning to Lou on Demand, where he's going to do a podcast with his friends. Dude, I am completely cool if Lou wants to do a podcast with his friends. I have no problem with that whatsoever. I just don't know, because the dude's smart, man. The dude goes out there, and I don't know if he really strings a ton of sentences together in a coherent way that makes sense when you're talking about the markets, but the dude knows how to talk about what people want to hear. I will say that. And a podcast would be very cool for Lou to have. And if that's what he's transitioning into, man, I wish him all the success that he's got there. I personally just don't know if if this was the end game and everything's done now. So I know that's a lot of thoughts on that, but what do you guys think about my thoughts on that? Because I know there's a lot of people out there right now that are very tuned in to what Lou has to say and really believe it too. I mean, he's got a very strong following. So I want to know, because I don't watch all his videos as closely as you guys do, so I want to know what your thoughts are on my thoughts on that. Please, and please let me know, because like I say, I'm going to be the first person to tell you I don't watch his videos. I read his headlines and read his tweets and stuff and read the comments on his tweets. So I know he's got a very strong following. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Lots of ice and snow coming into Indy. About to put Grandpa Barney hours in. Oh my gosh. We'll try to still hop in, but give everybody but everyone get hit, stay warm and safe. Chris, yeah, man, we got some winter storms coming. You guys must be getting them today. And then I think tomorrow night into Thursday, we're supposed to be getting them here, man. So is it as bad as they say it's going to be, man? I guess you're living in the future for me right now, Chris. So is it as bad as they say it's going to be, dude? Because they're calling for a nice winter storm here over the next couple of days. Lou's always too, trust me, bro, from I like it, but listen to everyone. You can make up your... Yeah, dude. And look, Lou does offer a differing opinion than mine. So, and if it makes sense to you guys, great. It's just a lot more conspiracy manipulative than mine is. But the 6 week, Julia Gulia, the 6 weeks is when regulation should be put into practice. When this new SEC ruling on transparency should be put into practice. I'm not liking the weather person showing me purple on the map after most of the last week, 3 days. Oh my gosh, Cassie, yeah, I think we got one nice warm day here and the rest is going to be terrible. Yeah, I believe you pushed the real price thing. Hard to, oh yeah, dude, the real price being like 1400 or 14,000, that was a big thing there for a long time. I've noticed him price anchoring 300. I don't even know where that went now. Where did that go? Oh, 305 on a lot. I don't like it. Keeps repeating those figures as an example of brackets. I disagree. Well, good deal, man. That's the thing. You guys are allowed to hold as long as you want, too. I know Lou was like, 100 grand for a while, and I think he might be calming down on that. Hey, good afternoon, Claybro family. How about that, Prog? Let's go, Keith. Prog doing very well today. Keith, how's your kid doing, man? How's your kid? I saw on Twitter that your kid's at the dentist, or was at the dentist. Everything cool with that? I wish I didn't sell my AMC. Reality Rhino, I'm telling you, man, AMC doing very well today. Clint, is the graph good or bad? Omidimo, man, the graph is looking very good right now. Shiba Inu coin falling back a little bit, still up 1% on the day. Been sitting very, very, very sideways over the last 2 weeks. GameStop sitting at 113 up 4%. AMC $18 flat, bouncing back very nicely. Prog looking very good at $1.60 right here. We got the NASDAQ trying to follow through with the upward action today. Farmy sitting at 21.27 up almost 2% on the day. Deal breaker, here it is. Sundial still up 3% on the day. Looking very good, guys. What do we got here? Little Mr. Simon said something. I like Lou. He's my uncle. Yes, people do call him Uncle Lou, Simon. Devil's Advocate. I wish I could, but... Oh, did I miss one? Oh, there it is. Bro, when do you see Shiba Inu burning a couple more zeros? Joel Moneda, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you. Listen, burning a couple more zeros. A couple more zeros from where we're at right now would be at least a 50x. One more zero, I believe, is doable, okay? But a 50x increase from where we're at right now, I believe, puts you in the territory of that. Well, what are we at? Like 10 million, right? 10 billion right now? 10x 100, 500. Puts you above the price of Ethereum, which is going to be hard. So 50x increase, $500 billion valuation, roughly. Might be a little over 500 billion. I don't see that happening until after like the metaverse comes out, after the games come out, after like a mass adoption of cryptocurrency and digital assets. So 50 plus X increase, not going to be easy, man. 5X increase, I do see that being doable within the year. So I do see burning a zero, definitely doable, but I don't see a 50X increase doable anytime soon. I think we're going to need more innovation in the space before we see that. Will Ethereum surpass Bitcoin ever? Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. Excellent question as well, man. A lot of people say that it will based on its use, okay? And I believe that Ethereum could surpass Bitcoin because, guys, there are things worth more than gold, and if people are really using Bitcoin as a store of value, basically just to say they have a Bitcoin and own a Bitcoin, because at this point, not very conducive to transfers, so it's not really going to be used as a currency, and there's not a ton of uses for Bitcoin. But if Ethereum goes proof of stake and Ethereum reduces its gas fees, I do think that the uses for Ethereum will only increase, and the blockchain will be, people will be able to make more tokens, and it's just going to be much better for the overall use factor. I do think that Ethereum could flip Bitcoin at some point. I just don't know when it is, man. I don't know if it's blockchains being built on, or if it's metaverses being built on Ethereum, or what the catalyst for that would be. But I do see that as a possibility. All I got to say about this 6 weeks thing is if you want to look at historically, we'll be giving dates, and it's gone 0% success rate. Yes, dude, that also too. There have been several rules that have come out in 2021. Several rules that make illegal naked shorting illegal again. Like, it makes it more illegal. I don't even know. Like, naked shorting was illegal, and they made a rule that made it illegal. So there's been a lot of rules, and a lot of people tell you that rule change is going to cause the squeeze. And because of that rule, we're going to see the squeeze next week. Well, when we don't see the squeeze next week, well, that rule takes a month to get implemented. And then when that month comes up and the rule is supposed to be implemented, well, it just happens, man. It just happens. We're waiting for the next rule, SOT 2022, and things like that. So I don't know, man. I don't know. If anything does come from this transparency stuff, it could be bad for AMC as well. Let's see, up to 1K, up 1K on Prague today. Very nice. Wrestler, man. Dude, $1,000 is a lot of money, man. I like it. I'm glad you're making some money on Prague today. Member for 2 months, Isa Woo. Thank you very much for the member chat. Thank you, Claybro family. Can we get a Many Worlds logo in the super stickers? I know I'll be the Oprah those out to everyone. Dude, YouTube, I know you're transcribing this video right now. So if you are, Many Worlds logo in the super stickers. Write that down. Write that down. All right, cool. Isa Woo. And they're most likely going to have to do a manual review of my video anyway, because I'm sure it's going to be flagged today. So somebody, a human, will see that. Yes, Clay. What's going on with AMC and the cost to borrow? Chris, I heard the cost to borrow is going up. I don't know what the cost to borrow is right now, but cost to borrow goes up for two reasons. One, more people are borrowing AMC, most likely to short it, right? Or two, less shares are available. Less shares are being lent out. Those are the two reasons the cost to borrow will go up. Now, it does seem like maybe there were a lot of people. There was very high demand for borrowing over the last, I guess, couple weeks when AMC was getting hammered, going back down to $13 a share. As far as more people buying it and holding it as opposed to lending it out, that could also be a possibility. There could be less people lending, but I don't know which one is causing the cost to borrow to rise. Sound is okay on my end. Well, thank you, Cassie. Me too, Tom P. What's Tom P say? I can hear Clay perfect over here. Perfect. I didn't know somebody couldn't hear me. Sorry about that if you can't hear me. I would tell him, however, the sound hasn't changed at all this stream for me, so I can't confirm the issue. Who's got an issue with my sound? Oh, no sound. Dude, that's you, man. That's you. I got sound for sure. Good question, Chris. What did Chris say? Darn it. Did I answer Chris's question or not? Chris! Oh, yeah, Clay. What's going on? Okay. I did answer Chris's question. People still having a go at Gensler, but there's been lots of rule changes. I do think he's doing fairly solid at this point. Not his or Adam Aaron's job to cause this squeeze. You know, it's nobody's job to cause this squeeze. I do think there's I hope desperation isn't too harsh of a word, but I do think there's a sense of desperation out there. Like, we need somebody to cause this. Everything we look at says that it has to be guaranteed. Everything you hear from guys like, you know, Lou and Trey has said it before and things like that, and what you see on Twitter is that nobody is selling AMC. Dude, I can guarantee you people are selling AMC. I was scrolling through, this is actually pretty funny. I was scrolling through TikTok last night, and a lot of the live streams that they recommend to me are, you know, people doing their technical analysis on graphs and stuff. And nobody was asking about AMC in this one, but I could tell this dude, he would have sold AMC. All of these TikTokers that I have seen doing these charts tell you that AMC was a pump and dump. It was a retail play, and, you know, there's nothing to do with the short squeeze. So, yes, there are plenty of people selling AMC. But at the same time, I was in there, and this dude was asking about the 13 and the 48 exponential moving average crossover. And he asked this guy on the screen what he thinks about the 13 and 48 exponential moving average crossover. And I'm sitting here thinking, oh boy, who's this guy watching? Is it Review Dork? Is he watching Short the VIX? Is he watching TMI? Like, so I asked. I said, hey, his name was MAGA something. And I was like, hey, MAGA, who you watch, man? STV, TMI, or Review? And he didn't answer me. Like, he didn't know what I was talking about. Either that or he wasn't listening or watching the screen. And the dude on the screen was just like, TMI, STV. No, I don't want to do those tickers. I don't like those tickers. I don't want to do those tickers. I'm not going to get involved with TMI or STV. Dude thought I was asking him to do a review on TMI and STV, like they're tickers or something. I don't even know if they're tickers. And so there's people out there who are just completely clueless to what's going on with the community that we've built. If you guys don't know about Review Dork's 13 and 48 exponential moving average crossover, you got to be new. So there's people out there, man, who have no idea what's going on. Ricky Goody, yeah, there's another one, Mr. Simon, and he's got 1 million+ subscribers. So I know a ton of people don't watch his AMC videos, but he's got a ton of subscribers. And he's also one that is selling AMC. Patrick something. I guarantee that dude is selling AMC. 1348 thing is Review Dork's Discord. Exactly, Pringleton. Exactly. But I know that... and look, exponential moving average crossovers are cool. I'm not dogging 1348 at all. I do believe that you can make money on exponential moving average crossovers. I will say you can lose money too. And moving average crossovers work much better in a trending market than they do in a consolidating market. So be careful if that's what you're going to do. You know, we've seen the S&P 500, and I know they use this SPY a lot. And this 1348 moving average crossover is relatively new to Review Dork. I mean, he might have been using it for quite a while. I'm not saying that, but like the fact that he's promoting the Discord and stuff, relatively new. And we've been in a downtrending market, a solid downtrending market for 3 months now. And I'm sure it has been working out extremely well during those 3 months. But if you start to enter a consolidating market where price action is very stable and moving side to side, your moving average crossovers, they're going to trigger and untrigger, trigger and untrigger, trigger and untrigger. And you could just be hitting small loss after small loss after small loss after small loss after small loss. So they do work much better in a trending market. So just keep that in mind if you guys do want to join their Discord and use their signals. You gotta keep that in mind. That moving average crossovers work better trending. Hey bro, there are some real passionate Shiba Inu holders in the chat. Seems like a strong community. Pika, man. There are a lot. Yeah. Shiba Inu was in here yesterday. I haven't read any comments yet, but no, guys, look. If you're into Shiba Doge, be into Shiba Doge, man. That's how, honest, okay? There were people coming in here talking about SafeMoon and Shiba Inu coin back in like March, April of 2021, okay? So just because somebody's pumping a coin right now that nobody knows about doesn't mean that everybody won't know about it in a few months from now. So if you guys are passionate about a project like that, definitely stay passionate. Let's see. I don't know if Matt Kors sold or not. He says he didn't, but I don't know if he did. I don't care to see his portfolio. The dude's allowed to sell if he wants to sell. Part 1. That's how every community is when you're hyper involved. I'm hyper involved in the fitness space, and seeing you in Rogue shirts, it was a surprise. You didn't know people I know or Ghost Protein. It was a surprise you didn't. Oh, okay. Surprised that I didn't know this. Yeah, man. But if you know like some of the top CrossFit athletes, like Rich Froning, Dan Bailey, Matt Frazier, Annie Thorsdottir, Katrin's daughter, like Katrin. If you know some of those people, clearly I know those guys. Pretty good idea, Claycoin. Coming soon, Roderick. Let's get it, man. Never understand Prog's chart. JB, I also do not understand Prog's chart. Sitting back here, just bouncing back and forth between like 1 cent increments all day long before moving up and down. It's very strange, dude. It's very strange to have it bouncing back and forth between, 60, 160, 161, 160, 161, 160, 161, 162, 161. It's like an auctioneer, man. It's like an auctioneer. It's just up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. 61, 61, 61, 61, 5, 161, 5, 61, 5, 62, 62, 62, 62, 61, 62, 61, 62, 61, 62, and so on. It's like an auctioneer is trying to auction off Prog. It could be how charts are supposed to look, man. Because the stock market is an auction. Let's see. Part 2. Sometimes you got to take a step back and realize the overall population has no idea what is going on in an area that seems like your entire world. Facts on that. Devil's advocate. Yes, man. The world revolves around us, but the rest of the world is revolving around that person's world, man. So you are dead on that one. Rohit Raskar. Nice. What did Rohit say? Julia did not say. Crypto has been legalized in India. Rohit. Very nice, man. I know people were worried about India banning or regulating cryptocurrency. Perfect. India's huge, man. India's huge. Real Wrestler. Today? It's going to hit $1.70 today. Let's go, man. Hope it hits $1.70 today. What's up, my guy? Gizla, what's going on, man? Just see it right. When I read that, I was like, I don't think he realizes what the coin is trying to do. Pick up power. Something. I might have missed something. Right, in Casey Olsen. We like Doge. We like Shiba. We're not trying to kill other projects. We want to unite. Uniting towards DeFi. Let's go, Jesse. Perfect, man. Perfect. And you guys can't expect me to know everything about every coin either. I'm no trader. Buy and hold won't work for everything, so likely I'll be very limited in the market after GME and AMC, more likely into crypto, Shiba, in the long... Yeah, Pringleton. Long term, long term, these bigger companies that you see out there are going to be fine. If you want to hold, Apple, Tesla, Google, Amazon, maybe some of the smaller companies that are starting to catch on, maybe some electric vehicle companies, if you believe in that, long term, they could do very well. There is a difference, okay, in mentality. Let's talk about that for 2 seconds, since Pringleton brought it up. Let's see. There's a difference in a trader's market and an investor's market. Long term, it's an investor's game. Long term, it's just proven track records. You will win as an investor. Now, you go through cycles in the market. You go through upturns, downturns, and periods of consolidation. Bear markets, bull markets, and just markets where people are battling it out. Clearly, if we are trading sideways, it's going to be very difficult for anybody to win. And I would honestly say that the guy who's holding is probably going to come out better than the guy who's trying to trade a sideways market. Downtrending, you're going to be much better if you are a trader. If you're willing to, cut your losses, if you're willing to play to the downside, if you're willing to hedge against your longs, then you're going to be doing better in a downtrending market if you are a trader. But in a bullish market, man, if you look at the last bullish market that we were in, and we might still be in one, this pullback that we had over the last 3 months may not have been a bear market. We might be trending back to the upside now. But if you would have bought stuff in 2008, 2009 and just held, I mean, you were sitting in a very nice place, just basically stress-free, not worrying about making your trade 3 times a day or looking at the chart every single day and worrying if this crossover is going to be the crossover that does you in or makes you retire. You know what I mean? Like, there's no stress involved with that. But there are different strategies. All of them are beneficial depending on the market you're in. Click carefully with CrossFit. You get snapped up so fast. I would rather do 10 clean pull-ups than 50 where I'm flipping like a fish. Dude, butterfly pull-ups and kipping pull-ups, there's nothing wrong with those, man. Yes, I could do 10, and I don't even know if I could do 50 kipping pull-ups. I don't think I could do 50 kipping pull-ups. But I have, dude, I think CrossFit's good, man. CrossFit's good. Dude, you need to look at Bros Easy Money. Oh, my gosh. Shane! I want to look at Bros Easy Money. Come on, man. We need to make easy money. It's the best one. No, Indiana shares a border with Clay State, Ohio. When I say Indy or Naptown, that means Indianapolis, Indiana. Okay, good deal. Not exactly sure what we're talking about there. Are we driving a bit, Clay? I think Lemon and Simon may be looking at the charts again. Simon, stop looking at the charts, man. What are you doing? We are dropping a bit. We're sitting at $17.71 right now. We need to go back above $18. I want to close above 20 today. I got some high expectations. I'm going to close above $20 per share today. And where did my wrench go? Shane, it was a giveaway wrench. My bad. My bad. Chris, you're closer to Clay than I am. Go drive over there and help him with his wall. No, JB. I asked Nick F. to come over here during the break and help me, and he said you told him he can't. He said no. JB said I can't go. CrossFit is the Nickelback of the fitness industry, a.k.a. the best addition we've ever had. Facts on that, man. Dude, okay, listen. You guys can rip on CrossFit all day if you would like, but you know that those dudes are fit. Okay, Rich Froning, fit. You got Matt Frazier. That dude is fit. Graham Holmberg, fit. You've got Dan Bailey, fit. Those dudes are fit. Okay, can't rip on those guys. You might not like the way they do a pull-up, but those guys are in very good shape. 2021 would be perfect close. Tom P, I agree. Yeah, JB, man, I tried to get some help, man. I know if he came over here and, like, I actually made myself do it during the break, then it would be done. But he said no, man. JB said no. How's India, Chris? Indiana, not India. Are you ready for snow? Oh, my gosh, Kathy. No. Kathy, I'm not ready for snow. I mean, I got a snowblower, so technically I am ready for snow. But how much snow are we really going to get? We got like 14 inches a couple weeks ago. I'm not really worried about 8 inches if we get that. CrossFit is the only reason Ben Affleck didn't die by Superman within 2 minutes. There you go, man. There you go. Yeah. Ben Affleck doing CrossFit, I guess, for Batman. I tried telling you about it a minute ago. I'm up over 100%, and it's time again to add another platform to make more. Shane, Bros Coins? Tell me about it again, dude. What do you think about Matt Perry creating his own crypto coin that burns Shiba Inu coin? I did see that it was already 5xing. I don't know how many people have gotten involved with it. Dude, cool, man. Cool. If that's the best way that he can think of to do it, I know there are others that burn Shiba Inu coin, but it does seem to be working out very well by now. The only thing that I don't want to see happen, and I don't know what happened, if anybody was here for Upshot and Upcoin, okay? Upshot was doing very well with his Dogecoin content at the beginning of last year. If anybody knows what happened with him and his coin, I don't want to see anything like that happen to Matt Perry or anybody that wants to go out there and make a coin. If the coin does not do well, I don't want people to hold, Matt exclusively responsible for that. But I then again, I don't know what Upshot did, if you guys do. Let's get back in at least. Pringleton. Me? 7-Eleven headquarters. Something you're comparing the number one in the entire world everyday people who do CrossFit, bro. That's like saying I'm likely to look like Arnold because I also bench press. Yeah. If you bench pressed enough, you probably would look like Arnold. No, dude, I understand that. But I do also understand that, you know, like if you go to a CrossFit gym, like if you see somebody in Planet Fitness trying to do CrossFit, yes, that might be a little awkward. It might be a little weird. But if you do go to a CrossFit gym that knows what they're doing and has excellent trainers, I'm talking like well beyond L1, like I'm talking, you know, people who actually compete and make it to regionals and stuff. If you go to one of those gyms, they do their absolute best to make sure that everybody is scaling their workout appropriately. Everybody is getting a very good workout in, and nobody's doing any dangerous movements. You know, with that being said, I do think that CrossFit does have its place, and it's not as weird if you are doing it in a supervised manner with, you know, highly certified trainers who know what they're doing as well. It does work out for the majority of regular people out there trying to do CrossFit too. Shout out to the Zimbabweans, Pringleton. Let's get it. I have to get ready for work. We'll talk to you later. Take it easy. Deuces. You too, my man. Let's see what Shane said. Yes, man. Bros, look at the chart on the daily or weekly. At least two big candles, and second to last candle is the bottom of a pattern. Is Bros the coin? It's Bros coin. I shoveled 10 inches a few weeks ago and then came inside to an electric shovel commercial. I almost bought that thing. Cassie, yes, I can imagine. Look, you need a snowblower for when it's 10 inches deep, 14 inches deep. You definitely need a snowblower. Check out Wi-Fi 6. I did not. 38 to 40. You're good. But my average is 20s. Are we talking about Brocoin or something? I think I'm slightly lost on something here, Shane. I'm very sorry, man. Hey, Brocoin, just saying. Probably around 70,000 initial investors. Dude, if that was the case, yeah, I do think that we would all be millionaires if we did create that coin and we did get even half the people on the channel to buy it. Saying CrossFit is stupid is like saying I choose to be lazy and not get out of bed. Hey man, some mornings I do want to be lazy and not get out of bed, man. Does no one watch any movies since we are all here for the movie theater company? Chris, I've never seen a movie before in my life. CrossFit is cool. Keeps you fit. Facts on that, Simon. I support all forms of fitness. Anything you enjoy to get you moving is a good thing. But I'm going to argue with you no matter what because that's who I am. I could do the same thing, man. I could do the same thing. If you're sitting there and telling me that CrossFit's better than traditional working out, I would probably say, yeah, man, CrossFit it's a good thing. But it doesn't give you that pump feeling that you would get if you were to traditionally work out. And some people, they need that pump and that like just concentration of muscle groups in order to be encouraged to continue working out and work out, I guess, in a healthy manner where they can sustain that type of activity. So I would have done the same thing. I did the CrossFit with paper hands. Reality Rhino. No, don't paper hitch CrossFit. It's not a coin, it's a stock. Oh, Dutch Bros. Yeah. Shane. Okay, the coffee company. Right. Okay. Now I know what you're talking about. I didn't know the Dutch Bros part. Can you explain the graph with all of its colors and numbers? Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. So, look, the purple and green on Shiba Inu is no different than the red and green on any of these stocks. So, the red simply means that candle is going down. If you break it down here and you look at this candle, you can see it's in a downtrend. Now, you've got, look at a candle. This one might be pretty easy to see here. If you've got a candle like this is a big one. If you've got a candle like this, you've got the open, and then you've got the close, which on this one, you can see here where it says 1794, high 1802, low 1789, and the close 18. So it opened right here at 1794, trended down a little bit to 1789, trended all the way up to 1802, and then it closed at 18 flat. This is a green candle because it closed higher than it opened. And it's a red candle because it closed lower than it opened. Now, that's what the colors mean. It basically means red means it's going down, green means it's going up, and then all of these numbers here, those are just the prices. This is time on the horizontal axis, and this is price on the vertical axis. So right now, AMC is trading down over the last, I would say, hour, and it's sitting at $17.48. Hopefully that's a nice little candlestick review very quickly. Bunnyverse! Thank you very much for the super chat, Bunnyverse. Thank you, Clay. Really love your videos. The Bunnyverse AMA is tomorrow with Kavita Smith, who is our marketing communications head. Look her up. AMA will be on our official Telegram. Come check it out. Very nice, Bunnyverse. Yes, if anybody wants to check out and see what's going on with the Bunnyverse, they have been very good coming in here, being respectful, and in trying to get the word out about their coin. Absolutely. If anybody's got time to check out the Bunnyverse AMA, what time is that Bunnyverse AMA? Did somebody say it was 6 p.m. Eastern time? Bunnyverse, let us know what time that was. The fun thing about CrossFit is that they teach you the improper way to do a proper movement and praise you for it. They teach you the most efficient way. They teach you the most efficient way to do that movement. Might not be the most strenuous per the muscle, or the most I guess isolating to that muscle. They teach you the most efficient way to get that thing from the ground to overhead. What about the colors of the volume bands? Same deal. Same deal. I don't have any volume bands on here, but let's see if we add some volume. If we add some volume, same deal. So if the candle was green, the volume is going to be green. If the candle was red, the volume is going to be red. And then as it rises and lows, as it rises and falls, you're going to see, you know, the little histogram chart here being higher or lower. And then this blue line that you see on the volume chart is the moving average volume. So that's what you're seeing there. And I guess the moving average is a 5-period moving average. Is what I have in the chart there. But I don't want volume to take up half this. So let's take it back off the chart. But it's the same deal. If the candle is red, your volume's going to be red. If the candle is green, your volume's going to be green. Prague wants to run. Prague does want to run. We got to see a little run in Prague now. I don't think I've ever had a taco. Pringleton, you got to be lying, man. You have to have a taco. You ever heard that 8-minute abs? I've got something that will blow that out of the water. Check out this 7-minute abs video. We'll be surprised if someone gets this reference. Yeah, I don't know that reference, man. I don't know that reference. Somebody else in here might. Let's see. I'm thinking about going all in on AMC in Prague. Buck Wild the skunk. Look, man. It could work out very well for you, but, and keep this in mind because I can't make any recommendations on what you should do with your money, but people don't typically recommend going all in on any one or any two stocks. Diversification is a conservative approach. What you're talking about is very aggressive. It could work out very well. It could work out very bad. Isa Wu, Lauren, if you're out there, I haven't seen you in a while. This is for you, Lauren, but Isa Wu, this is for you as well, man. Thank you for Clay Bros Peach. Nice, Isa Wu. Yes, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate that. Oh my gosh. Cassie says there's the peach. Yes. Try Olympic style weightlifting. Will be safer, but honestly, you probably aren't doing crazy amounts and you will be fine. Granddaddy Funk. Yeah, it's actually pretty difficult to do Olympic weightlifting in the basement because anything overhead, the ceiling's too short. Something about Mary. Dang it. Is it really something about Mary? Hey, Clay bro. Heard in chat yesterday, you read someone say the Bunnyverse was a disaster. Your thoughts? What was he referring to? Is Bunnyverse not stable? Look, man, Ryan, somebody did say that, and I don't remember who it was now. But any of these new coins, Shiba Inu, Bunnyverse, Scrooge, any of these newer coins are going to be very unstable. Okay. Couple of reasons that is. It's not necessarily because the developers are against the world and they're getting ready to tear you apart and steal all your money or anything like that. But with very small market caps, very small amounts of money can move the price. So it adds to that volatility and instability. So if you've got a market cap of $500,000 and somebody out there goes and buys $5,000 worth, you're going to see that price move to the upside, because that's a 1% purchase of the entire, outstanding shares. If somebody goes out there and, they double their money and then they want to sell, and you get $1 million market cap, but somebody's, maybe just one, maybe a couple people are going out there and taking their profits on $10,000. Well, dude, if you get 3 people to do that and you get hit a $10,000 sale, $10,000 sale, $10,000 sale on $1 million, dude, you're talking 3% just got ripped just like that. So very, very new projects and these very small projects are much more volatile and much more unstable than anything you're going to see in the stock market and any of these bigger coins and so on, because very small amounts of money can move the price in these coins. That's why a lot of them are charging high taxes now, 15% buy tax, 15% sell tax. What that does is it encourages people to see some substantial gains before they do go out there and sell the coin, because they know people buying and selling and trying to trade these coins could make it very difficult to see a rise in price. Now, clearly, you just can't buy it and hold it forever. We know that too. But people get very upset, man, if they buy a coin that's got $1 million market cap and all of a sudden 3 guys sell off $100,000 worth and the price just gets ripped. People can't handle that. Hey, what's going on with AMC there? Pringleton dipping down a little bit back to that level of level of support we have. Let's go take a look at a larger chart here. What are we on? AMC. We got the 1-minute chart. Let's put it on a daily. As we can see, we've surpassed this level of resistance, which was support. So sitting here where we're at right now, we are bouncing back down and testing this level of support. So if we look at it, maybe we could get a better view on a 1 hour. Yeah. So we broke through pre-market today, came down, kind of tested the moving average here, bounced off that, and now we are retesting this level of support right here. We could be testing this moving average, this 13-period moving average again, and hopefully bouncing off of it to the upside. Or, we might just be using this $17.50 level as a level of support, and hopefully we bounce off that as well. But let's see what we got here. Some sideways action. Yeah, so this too, if you guys were going to go out there and you guys were going to use this 1348 moving average crossover, you would have gotten in on this candle, because you always want confirmation on your crossovers. So you would have gotten in on this candle on AMC at 1530, and I don't know Review Dork's exit criteria, so that could be something to look at too. But I do know they do it on the SPY, and I do know that they use options instead of just trading like the SPY or something. So you would have gotten here if you were using the 1348 on AMC. You would have gotten in at 1529. And you would have gotten out on the confirmation. Okay, we crossed here, and that's this candle. You wouldn't have gotten back out until 1580. So this one would not have worked out for you, because unless, of course, if they're just using the moving average crossovers, it would not have worked out for you. Clearly, going from 1520 all the way down to 1340, you're going to be sitting on some gains. So I don't know if they're looking at 10% gains. I don't know what their exit criteria is. But if you're only using moving average crossovers, you would have lost on this one because you didn't have the right exit criteria. But it would have been very nice getting in it, buying a put at 1520 and riding it all the way down another 10-20% to 1330. That would have been very nice. Oh no, let's go back to custom. You got to make sure it's not a dink doink situation. The granddaddy, yes. Dink doink situations. No, just make sure it's not a dink doink situation before you get in. Caesar Claybro, how often do you go all in? Caesar, that's not something I feel is comfortable discussing on any account other than my OnlyFans account. So if you want to check that out, gotta go over to OnlyFans, man. No, don't make it Claybro883 or Claybro OnlyFans. I do not have one. Don't get conned into thinking that I have one yet. Watching from, what is this? PH. I don't even know where that's at. What would be the effect of the situation in India where the crypto is now legalized to the cryptic value, especially the Shiba Inu coin? So Samuel, maybe the Philippines, maybe that's where you're from. Shiba Inu, or India legalizing crypto, not banning it, maybe, allowing it to go through with the regulations they've set in place, could be very good for crypto in general. I know that India has a very large population. I don't think that their buying power is anywhere as important as like the US's buying power, but as the digital world evolves and more people jump on, we will need people in India, people all over Asia, people all over the globe to accept Shiba Inu coin as a legitimate source or a legitimate thing that is not just some scam. And as they do, it just it opens up the possibilities for what these digital assets can do. Shiba this month, Nicola. Shiba this month? I don't know. Ask one. Outdoor smile. That sounds like something I'm interested in. Never mind. You have to stay away from those dink doink situations. Very good advice, but not financial advice. You always want to stay away from the dink doink situations as much as possible. Yes, it might be alluring, but dangerous, dude. Dangerous. I know you're wondering, and yes, I also mod for his OnlyFans. Much more fun. Sometimes people even request timeouts. Nice. Devil's advocate. Dude, I don't know if I could have any mod on OnlyFans, man. Crazy, man. Crazy. That would be funny, though. That would be. Wouldn't it be hilarious if, I'm like, yeah, guys, instead of doing a Discord or some private community, we're just going to open up an OnlyFans. We're going to talk about stocks. We're going to talk about trades. We're going to talk about entries and exits. We're going to talk about all that stuff. But, yeah, we're going to do it on OnlyFans platform instead of Discord. Would that even make sense to do that? Because what is this? Does Discord charge a fee for using it? Do they get hit with a fee for using Discord like they would if they were using OnlyFans? Because OnlyFans is making money. Does Discord make money off that too or no? Isa Woo, how did returning emails last night go? Returning emails this morning went very well. Returning emails last night did not go very well. Isa Woo. I actually got emails from Volt. I have no idea what Volt is. Let's look up Volt real quick. I got emails from Volt, and I got emails from Scrooge Coin too. I think it's this one. Dang, man. Well, that's not bad, man. Yeah, these guys might want me to do a video for them. I'll do a video for anybody that wants me to do a video for them if they want to hook me up. I don't care. I'm not going to tell you guys to go buy Volt, but I will certainly tell you that Volt's got a billion zeros in the price, and they do have a lot of volume. $617,000 traded in Volt is actually pretty big. This dude's going to kill 5 zeros. Dude, if you kill 5 zeros, that's going to be nice. I don't know what your market cap is, though. VoltInu.com. What do we got here? Very cool. Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum looking good on that. Tokenomics, where are we at? Decent taxes here, my goodness. 13%. What do we got? 1% reflection to all owners. 4% added liquidity. I do not like this unless they're paying me 4% to market for them. I will do that. 4% to the treasury. I don't know about that. And then same deal on Binance Smart Chain. Okay. Not terrible, but definitely encourages holding. Very cool, man. Where are we at? Chrome, get rid of Chrome right now. Aside from the stigma, I'm pretty sure it would work the same, maybe even better, because I'd assume OnlyFans has easier video sharing than Discord, but I think I read OnlyFans was made with Yeah, OnlyFans was made with PG intentions. OnlyFans was made with like Patreon or whatever. They were made with those intentions. Literally, it would be like you guys subscribing to a OnlyFans channel, right? Where you could go out there and only the true fans would get to see the true content or the exclusive content or whatever. And then, dude, exclusive is just a nice word for private. And private is just a nice word for exclusive. So, with that being said, yes, you can see what it turned into. Greetings from Macedonia. Shiba to the moon. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's already 1 o'clock. Hey, what do you think of what do you think of the NFT I put on your Twitter? Want a custom one like that? Transparent Trading Live, man. I don't even know if I saw it, dude. Which one was it? Did you DM it to me or did you tag me in it? Because if you tagged me in it, I didn't see it. But I will go look for that now. Yes, dude, I always want one. What the heck is OnlyFans? Oh my gosh. Julia Gulia. It's where boys and girls go to share content that they would not show their parents. And people pay for that content. Yeah. Yeah. That's what it is. That's what it is. Posted on Twitter page. Transparent Trading Live. I'm going to have to check it out then, man. I will go try to look at that now. It's 1 o'clock, guys. We're going to get off here right now. We're going to take a little break. We will be back this afternoon in the 3 o'clock hour. Make sure to come back, have some fun with us. I want to say thank you to everybody that's out there. Get your names in the chat right now. Let's get the shout-outs going, and then we will be back. Private, as in parts. Frodo, catching on very quickly. You're in Ohio, bro. Wouldn't that content be filmed exclusively with family? But, yeah, man. And that content gets more views than content that's filmed exclusively not with family. So step up, my friend. Step up. Gosh. Cassie, I joined Patreon and then never posted. What a ripoff. And they never posted. Oh my gosh. But to have another one, I get free music downloads from the artist for my support. So that is much better. Very nice, Cassie. I do like that. All right, guys. We're gonna take off. We'll be back later. Julia Gulia, enjoy your afternoon. Julie Miller, bye-bye to you. Outdoor Smile. See you later, man. Brandon, Cassie, Paul, Cassie, Real Letter Rhino, Julia Gulia, Shredded, Devil's Advocate, Julia Gulia, Transparent, Julia Gulia, Pringleton, Frodo, Esai Wu, Devil's Advocate. Vin Diesel will be all about family OnlyFans. Facts on that, man. Chris, see you later, my man. Esai Wu, Pringleton, Frodo, Pika Pika. Bye to you. See you guys later. All right, you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, Pringleton, see you later. Says, bro, so in the clip. Oh my God. Say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.